welcome to my channel. My name's Jo Ashley and this is my channel, The Makeup Enthusiast. I don't know how long my channel is going to last with that name. I recently found out that there are other channels with that name, so that might be a little bit confusing, so I'm thinking about changing my channel name, even though it makes me super sad because my husband was actually the one that picked my name, and I think it's really catchy because that's what I am. It has been a heck of a month and a half, 7 weeks. The class that I have is, I know that every time I do a video I find myself apologizing and saying these things, but I'm telling you, I had no rest whatsoever because of how much work I had in my last class. So every time I found myself trying to do a video, something came up or I was just beyond exhausted, and I don't want to put anything out there that's not my best. Before I start the video, my makeup, if I look a mess, if it looks cakey or whatever, I just got home from a birthday party that lasted 4 hours, drove 45 minutes to get there, and played and ran after my children there. So if you guys, I did discover something, however, if you guys are looking for an amazing red liquid lipstick, this is the one, guys. The only thing that I will say is on the sides, of course it's smeared a little bit, but other than that, it is amazing. I ate tacos, I ate chips, and I drank like crazy. Well, not like alcoholic beverages, but water and beverages over there, and this thing is still on. By me telling you that I ate tacos, this lipstick's good. Nothing, no budging. So if you guys are looking for a really good liquid lipstick, a red one, go get yourself the Fenty Beauty one. I definitely recommend it. It is taco approved. Today is Cinco de Mayo. Feliz Cinco de Mayo to my fellow beautiful Mexican people. Also, my wedding anniversary is today. So yeah, it's a good day. But today's video is a super fun one. Today is a Target haul. Okay, I'm the kind of person, when I go to Target, you know those pictures, those memes that you see where it shows, go to Target for milk, come out with this. That's me. Or the ones that say, went to Target expecting to spend 40 bucks, total $250. That is me right here. I have a problem. And if you hear my dog, she's just crying because she wants to go into my son's room. And no, she's not gonna go into my son's room. So she's like right there. I'll probably get her right now and you'll see her. But I have a problem. I am a Target addict, and this video is brought to you by my addiction. This is a 2-week Target haul. I am the kind of person also that I do feel bad when I go spend something, so I'll put it back and then I'll go buy it the next day because I just feel like, oh, I didn't buy it then, but the next day it's fine if I come back and get it. But yeah, the first thing that I want to talk about in this video is these these letterboards. How freaking cute is it? It's like, I've seen the black and gray ones, but the fact that this is like, I don't know if it's real wood, but it looks like wood and white, and then these letters, it comes with this one, but they sell it packed for $2.99 with these, and it has like a bunch of different words in it. I think this is super cute. This was $14.99, and the ones that are cursive were $2.99, but it comes with these. This is like super cute. The next thing that I got from Target are notebooks. I am the kind of person that I am super freaking organized. Like when it comes to things that I need to do, when it comes to my bills especially, or planning or anything, I'm not the kind of person that I'll plan like super, that I'll live my life according to my planner, like hour by hour. I will write down things that I need to do. However, God is always in control. Things happen, but I am very organized, and I do have a planner, the Happy Planner. I'm gonna do a video on it, a plan with me video and a budget with me video, but this is for my backpack or purse. Here I put in all my bills. I put anything that I need to do, anything that I need to buy, and yeah, if I don't want to take the big one, I'll take the little one. These are literally the same inside. Like, it's weird. I got 2 notebooks so that they can be exactly the same inside, but it's good. Like whenever I want the little one, I'll take the little one, and whenever I want the big one, I'll take the big one. Another thing that I absolutely love about this notebook is that like, these are my bills, is that it looks like this. You see that? And you can take it off. Like, it's the kind of notebook that you can just take it off and it won't affect the rest of the pages, so it's super awesome. I have an obsession with cactuses and succulents, and I found these. It has the lighter green, but it's in my purse. So how cute are they? They're so stinking cute. I also got my kids a lot of clothes, but I'm also the kind of person that when I get them clothes, they'll wear it right away. Like, my mom hates this about me because she's the kind of person that she'll buy outfits and she'll save them for whenever she wants to go somewhere. No, me, I buy something, you wear it right away, because I feel like if you buy clothes, they're to use right away, of course, unless they're like super nice, like Ralph Lauren or Tommy Hilfiger or anything that's pricier. But things like from Target, my kids will wear it right away. They're like $4 or $5, so why not? They got 2 Cat and Jack shirts that they wore today. They're super dirty. And then my toddler, I got him an outfit, like the soft pants and the tops, but they're dirty because he wore it yesterday. And then this is one of the things. These are watermelon sandia, guys. Look how freaking cute that is. These are $4, and I had gotten, the tag. And I had gotten them when it had the 20% on top, so they came out to like $3.75. If you're looking for super cute summer clothes for your kids, go to Target. A guilty pleasure of mine are jewelry. Like, I'm the kind of person, here I go again with I'm the kind of person. I guess you get to know me better with these videos, but I'm the kind of person where I like super expensive stuff, but super cheap stuff. I love cheap stuff. Like, I will go to Walmart, and if they have a cute shirt, I will buy it and wear it with my super expensive purse, or I'll buy super cheap clothes, super cheap shoes, and dress it up with a nice outfit dinner. Like, with me, I am both ends of the spectrum. Like, I can have a Louis Vuitton, but I can go to Target and Walmart and buy a purse and use it too. Like, I am not picky whatsoever. I love versatility. I love how every store and every brand can offer you something that you want and can use, and it's just super awesome. Like, I love it. Like, I went to Walmart yesterday and I saw like a bunch of super freaking cute shirts that I'm gonna go buy on Monday. I thought about it, I was like, do I need these shirts? So I told myself, I'm gonna clean my closet, declutter it, put clothes that I'm gonna give away or sell, and I'm gonna go buy myself more clothes. So yeah, so a guilty pleasure of mine, like, these are Kendra Scott. Like, these are like 75, 80 bucks. I also love freaking cheap jewelry. Like, I'll go to the 10th Street. I live in South Texas. They have this 10th Street where they literally have everything super freaking cheap. I'll go buy jewelry there, or I'll go buy like shoes there. Like, I'm telling you, I love everything. Like, I am not picky. I don't look down. Like, I will wear anything that's cute. And Target is full of freaking cute jewelry. Like, they have this line. I love bubble bar jewelry. It's cheaper than Kendra Scott, but more pricey than Target. But Target came out with Sugar Fix by Bubble Bar, and it's made by Bubble Bar, but it's for Target, and these say $9.99. But when I rang them up, they said $6.98, and then I had a 20% on top, so they came out to like $5. These are super freaking cute for the summer. I feel like this color is super summery, and I am the kind of person that loves gold. Anything that has gold, I prefer gold over silver any day, and I'm living for these. Like, I'll wear a $10 shirt from Walmart and super plain, I'll put these on and my super cute purse, and it'll look super nice. Like, jewelry can make an outfit. Like, you can be wearing super plain outfit and you just put a nice pair of jewelry on and you're good to go. I also got this one. This one I also got this one. I paid, I think, $4.98 for it because I also had the 20% on top. And I had been wanting this since the moment that I saw it there. I was like, I am gonna buy that. But it was $16.99 regular price, and I am not about to pay $16.99 for jewelry from Target, because it's not that it's bad, it's that it can break, and I feel like the quality is not $16.99. But when it was on sale, I got this. This is my favorite shade of blue. My favorite color is blue, black, and pink. But this is my first favorite shade of blue. Then it's teal, like my KitchenAid mixer. And I saw this and I was living for it. Like, I need to have this. So when I saw it went on sale, I was like, heck yes. So I got this one. And the reason why these don't have the tags is because, like I said, when I buy something, I use it right away. So I already used this. The next thing that I got is this. Look at this freaking beauty. Like this. Oh no, don't tell me it got tangled. There you go. Ugh. 1 minute, it got tangled. Okay, fixed it. The next thing that I got is this beauty right here. I paid $6 for this one, and this is super freaking cute. Like, this is so summer. I'm gonna be using this so much. You can just pair it with like gold studs and a gold ring or something. My husband calls me sneakerhead. I have an obsession with sneakers. I collect them just like makeup. Sneakers are like makeup to me. I love them, and not like the retro Jordans and stuff like that. I just like Adidas, Nikes, like super nice like workout shoes. I love sneakers, but I also love just shoes in general. Like like my husband, every time I come home with a new shoe, he's like, but you have a pair that looks just like that. I'm like, no, I don't. It's this color. I got in some blue ones that I put on my Instagram, and I know that a few people that follow me on Instagram are gonna know which ones I'm talking about. My husband calls them he look like a mop. These don't. He says these look like a Cinco de Mayo party. But how freaking cute are these? And I got to use the 20%. For some reason, it was ringing up clearance, so it allowed me to use the 20% off. So I ended up paying $16 for this. Look how freaking cute these are, and they're versatile, so you can use them with anything that's blue, pink, or maroon red, or white, or this color. Like, these go with a lot of things. Believe it or not, they're super comfortable too. The other ones that I got, what I was saying is that I tried them on, they look super nice, but after I used them around the house, they were not. They were like, I have wide feet, and it wasn't comfortable. It was the kind of shoe that I found myself not wanting to use after a while, and I'm always up and around with my boys, so I don't have time for uncomfortable shoes. So I was like, no, thank God I wore them only in the house. So I went and returned them and exchanged them for these, and I am obsessed. These are Cat and Jack. I paid $9 for these, and these are for my toddler, and oh my gosh, these are perfect for the summer, or just throw on shoes to go anywhere. And you can tie them tighter on this side, so you can, like, if your kid has like thin small feet, or if he has flat feet or wider feet, it can work for you, because you can put them big or small. You can put them big or small, and they're just super awesome, super comfortable. So I really do like these and do recommend them. They also have them for big kids, but my child has skinny feet, so I have to go try them on, my older child. But they're not these colors. They're like a dark cobalt blue, like the necklace, but a little bit darker. So, and they don't have this part. They're just like, they look like that. I have to take them with me to see if you like them, because he's like super picky. So I also got these. Usually for the last day of school, ever since my oldest started school, he behaves so well. He has really great grades. He's an A student, and he works really hard at school. So always for the last day of school, I like taking him to the store and having him pick out anything that he wants within reason. It's usually like a $50, $60 gift. But this year, I found that those gifts that he picks out, my youngest son ends up using, because he just doesn't like toys. Like, he's more into electronics and puzzles and stuff like that. So I told myself, you know what? I'm gonna give him a really nice surprise. I am gonna make over his room into a big boy room. Oh my goodness, my animals today are just wanting my attention. My cat is meowing right there next to me. Like I was saying, I wanna make over his room. He's had the same theme since he was in pre-K, so it's been 3 years now. I've been wanting to remake it for him for the past 8 months, but he's super picky, and I've never found a theme that I feel like would stick with him and that was him and that he would love. But you know, Pillow Fort from Target has everything and more when it comes to decorating your kids' rooms, and I found the absolute cutest theme ever. Is obsessed with Minecraft and Halo, and right now it's Minecraft more than anything. And even though this is not, let me see, I'm gonna put it far away. Even though this is not a Minecraft theme, it's pixelated, so it's like a pixelated comforter, and it looks just like that. I thought it was super freaking cool, and that he was gonna like it. Not only that, but in Target.com they have a picture of the rooms, how they decorate them, and it's funny because they have this comforter with my toddler's bed. My son has a different bed from Access Furniture. They have images with their collections decorated into the rooms, and they had this comforter, and it's like the gamer theme, and I thought that was so cool because my kid is so into games. So I got him and I just have to go get some more stuff, but making over a room gets pricey, so little by little I'm gonna go again on Monday and on Friday. So the past 2 weeks I got the comforter, and I got it when it had a 20% on top, so I paid $34 for it. He has a full bed, so I got this. To go along with it, I also got this. This is the set that goes with it, and it's like sharks eating the pizza or the dinosaur eating that, and it's super freaking cute. Another thing that I got, and I got this online, and it came cracked. I don't know how I'm gonna do it or if they're gonna return it because I don't have the information anymore, and I checked out as a guest, so it's not like I can look it up, but it was this right here, and I know it's super sad. It said eat, sleep, play, repeat, and I thought it was super cute, but hey, it came cracked, so I don't know how we're gonna go about this. But yeah, I'm gonna try to return this. To go along with it, I also got these little throw remote control thing. It's super cute, right? So I still need to get him the table set, and whenever I'm done with the room, I think I'm gonna do a video so that you guys can see how it came out, and you guys will see the finished product. But yeah, these are the things that I have gotten, and I think it's super cute. Target literally is Target is like, every time I go it gets me. But yeah, this is my Target haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please do give it a thumbs up and do like and subscribe. Thank you.